I'm here today to give you an update on Near Protocol. Apologies for my previous video. We had a pretty bad mic problem. So yeah, apologies for that, guys. But yeah, let's get deep down and dirty into this Near Protocol update. We're going to be looking at this from a technical analysis perspective, and then also looking at key buying areas for Near Protocol and seeing if we can get some price targets for this lovely layer 1 blockchain project over the next 6 to 12 months if you were just to simply buy and hold this asset. So what we're looking at right now in terms of the chart, you can see Near Protocol is currently trading at around $6.91, and we are in a bit of a breakout scenario. Okay, this is bullish, it's looking pretty good. The one thing that I'm really looking for here for this asset here on the macro is a strong candle body close, guys. A strong candle body close will initiate that long position for me, and that will consist of around a 6% move for Near to the upside. Okay, as you can see, the move that we're looking out for here, the move that we're looking to capitalize on, is going to be basically a candle body close above the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. You can see we've tested this with wicks to the upside multiple times here. Haven't had that confirmed entry that we're looking for there, but it's quite likely that we do get it. Now we're coming back down for another retest potentially of around $6.74. With crypto in general looking like a bit of a downturn is on the cards here. I think Near is actually holding pretty strong. I'm only down at around 1.72% today from what I can see. So yeah, looking pretty good overall for Near, and a very strong fundamental basis as well. So I do think this asset is probably going to hold its own. It probably is going to hold its own. I think it's 17th on the CMC race. Yeah, 17th, around $7.3 billion market cap. So I do think this asset is very strong to be holding for the next sort of 6 to 12 months here. We will be going into some buying zones. Now, let's be realistic, guys. Let's talk market structure here, because you can see the market structure higher lows that we're currently working with for Near Protocol are around $2, 2, 3, 3, 4.1. The most recent higher low that we have seen, which is technically still unconfirmed, okay? So we can use this as an unconfirmed higher low, but not to determine market structure, essentially, okay? So we're going to flip that being red. And the reason why we can't determine that, guys, is because it's not confirmed and it hasn't broken the high yet. When we do see this come up to the upside and break this high of around, where is that? Around $9.05 there. When that does happen, that's when it's very likely, or that's when that higher low will be confirmed, okay? So that's sort of what we're looking for. Right now, unfortunately, you're not going to like what I'm going to say. You're not going to like what I'm going to say, but, you know, I'm transparent with you guys here. And you can see that this is actually the wrong tool to select higher lows. This is the higher low that we're actually referencing in terms of market structure, guys. $3.39 is the confirmed higher low currently. And that will essentially mean that we could be looking at price fluctuations of around 50% to the downside and still be in a bullish market structure, okay? Just to be clear with that. So yeah, if you are going to be holding this asset, just be aware you can see price fluctuations and still be very bullish, still be in a bullish market uptrend, essentially, right? Now let's go into a potential buying area for this asset. For me, I already hold quite a nice chunk of Near Protocol, and I have done for a long time. But if you are looking for a buying zone for this asset, then obviously you got to do your own research. But what I would be looking for here, and mind you, this is on a hodl perspective. So if you're going to be holding it for 6 to 12 months and preparing for market fluctuation swings here, like we just said, 50% swings could be on the cards. It's cryptocurrency. It's the most manipulated assets in the world here. So yeah, just be prepared for that. But yeah, in terms of a buying zone, you can see momentum from this area very strong on the 0.618 Fibonacci there. And also, I would say the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. Probably had limit orders at both of them. Very nice buying opportunities. You can see momentum from this zone very strong here. Again, momentum here, momentum here, momentum here as well. And this is not small momentum, guys. This is 30%. This is 25% there. You can see from this point, really strong, another 26%. So overall, that is a very strong buying area, the 0.382. In terms of price for that, guys, around $6.02. That does bring me on to a price prediction for this asset to see potentially how high this could go over the next 6 to 12 months. We're just going to be basing it on the previous all-time high, and that is going to be, Let's have a little look. Previous all-time high for this asset that we do have on CMC. Just referencing CMC here, guys, because that is the data that we have got. And that is going to be around $20. $20 is the all-time high. Let's check the market cap for that as well to see if it matches up, because sometimes they distribute more circulating supply out there, and it does kind of mess with the figures a little bit here. So it's a few things we need to take into consideration. So $12 billion market cap at price of around $20 here. We're currently at $7 billion market cap at the price of around $6.9 there. So times that by 2, that's going to be $14. $14 billion market cap. And then another 7 on that would be 21, and that will be $21 billion market cap as well. And that would be a $12 billion market cap at around $20. Okay, so yeah, it does look like we've had more circulating supply actually put onto the market here for NEAR, which isn't, it's not a bad thing, but it just basically means for us to get to that level that that we initially want to get to, and using it as a price target, it's probably not as valid, the data. Okay, the data is probably not as valid because we need more of a market cap to get there, essentially, because you can see for us to be at a price of around $20, the market cap would still need to be, it would need to be at $21 billion from this current market cap, right? And it was at like at $12 billion, right? So you can see we're talking around a $9 billion market cap to catch up on, essentially. So in terms of a price prediction for that, guys, we're going to be very reserved here, and we're just going to be banging up to key levels that we did see in the previous sort of run here. Okay, so just to be reserved here, probably going to be looking at around, and again, this is layer 1 blockchain, guys. It's a lot of stuff is being built on this. There's a lot of potential for NEAR here. So I would say a nice conservative price prediction. I am just going to put it to the all-time high. I'm sorry if this annoys any of you guys here, but I'm very bullish on this project, and I do think that we can see $20 again, even with that $9 billion market cap sort of breakaway period that we have seen here. So yeah, if we are going to be doing a price prediction from that buying area that I just said all the way up to around $20 there, we're going to be looking at around a 3.2x on your investment, guys. So yeah, not too bad there for NEAR. Definitely something to really be looking out for there over the next 6 to 12 months or so from a hodl perspective. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you like the content, smash a like on it. But that's going to be it from me in terms of the NEAR protocol update. Peace out for me. Peace out from me. I'll see you in the next one.